Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to spray curling spray on hair. And this will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. What I have here is some curling spray. I have the Davines Love Curl Revitalizer. It's curling spray. It is spray for curly hair. Obviously it's not for me, but my wife has curly hair and she uses this, and I've seen her use it many times, so I'm going to tell you exactly how she uses it. And I did ask her, for the most part, I said, like, how can you use it? And she gave me an idea, and I was like, okay, that's the path that I think I was on anyways. So the information that I'm giving you, yes, it's coming from a bald person, but I'm well versed. I've watched her spray this in her hair many times, and I asked her, so I know what I'm talking about. Now, what am I going to use it on? Well, let me introduce you to my little friend over here. My kids, I have 4 young kids. When I first got this little mannequin head, I asked them to name her, and they named her Sandra from what I remember. So let me introduce you to Sandra, my girl Sandra. All right. Anyways, my lovely lady Sandra over here. So I can't do this with a straight face. I'm really trying, but I can't. But I'm going to do my best, okay? So essentially, you have to think about it. Sorry, I gave you a little too tough there. Okay, game face on. Okay, essentially what you want to do is you want to get the curling spray and you want to spray it on the hair. Now, always remember this. You can always add more after. It's better to do too little and add a little bit more to get to where you need than to have too much and have too much curling spray in your hair. So essentially, just get your cap, remove the cap from the curling spray. I'm just going to place it over here, okay? And then you're going to get the curling spray, and you want to tackle the areas of your hair that you want to sort of revitalize the curls and to make the curls better. So let's say you only want like the bottom part to be a bit more curly, then you're only going to do the bottom part. If you want the whole hair area to be curly, then you're going to do the whole hair area. I'm just going to imagine that we want just the bottom part to be more curly. So I'm just going to spray it basically from here down, and I'm not going to do the whole head, although you would regularly go all the way around. I'm just going to do it over here. So essentially I have the curling spray. It is pointed in the correct direction. We're just going to give, I'm trying not to get on the window. We're just going to give it a little spray, just like that, like that. Now you'll notice it didn't spray big, it sprayed sort of somewhat concentrated, okay? So what you're then going to want to do is you're then going to want to get a comb of your choice. I have this comb over here, and you're going to want to get a comb of your choice, and you're going to want to comb that curling spray through the hair. By combing that curling spray through the hair in the area that you want to apply it to, you're basically going to allow it to spread out. So I'm going to comb it down just like this. And right now that curling spray is going to all of the lower portion of the hair that I want to sort of enhance the curls and revitalize the curls on, okay? Now at this point, you've already done all that you need to do. You can then style your hair in the curly way that you want it to. But let's say like it's all ending up pretty well, and then just this one spot over here, let's say, doesn't have enough. I could take the curling spray and I could just spray it on that one spot, just like that, and give it exactly how much it needs. And then you take the comb and you spread it out. Your comb is spreading that curling spray throughout. Like I said, it's better to have too little and then to add a little bit more like I just did than to have too much, and then your hair is not going to be exactly the way that you want it to be. But essentially that is how to spray curling spray on your hair. And what that can do then is then you can go and you can use you can use whatever product you want to use on your hair in terms of like a spray product or a gel product or like a tool product, like a comb of some sort, like a curling brush, whatever you want. You can use whatever makes sense on your hair to then take that curling spray and allow it to sort of make your curls better the way that you want them to be. And that's basically it. You got anything else to say? No, neither do I. So there's nothing else to say. Yeah, I have nothing else to say for this video other than I hope that you enjoyed it. And with nothing else to say, we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.